BTS, everyone.
достар. Сәлем, біз BTS.
Oh my gosh, you guys, welcome to the BBMAs.
Billboard Music Awards'қа қош
How does it feel to
келдіңіздер.
be here tonight?
Өздеріңізді қалай сезінесіздер? Керемет оқудамыз.
Love Yourself Tear is out, and I hear that it's going to be debuting pretty high in the charts. How does that feel to have this album out there?
Менің жүрегім соғуда.
Wow.
Мен альбом жайында сөйлескім келеді.
I want to talk about Love Yourself Tear. Obviously, it's out there for each of you. What is your favorite song on the album? What's the song that has the most meaning to each of you? I'm going to go around. I'm going to start with you.
One by one.
Fake love. Yeah.
Tear.
Fake love. Yes.
전모찐.
That's
in Korean. For me, Love Maze.
Yeah, with Steve Aoki track, The
Бізде
Truth Untold.
Аокимен жазылған трек ол
Magic Shop.
Well, I want to talk to you about your song Airplane Part 2. It has a lot of Latin vibes to it, and I know you guys were big fans of the song Havana. Would you say that's a song that inspired it, or maybe what artist or song has inspired that song?
Айтыңыздаршы,
I mean, we listen to a lot of, I don't want to mention the specific genre, but Latin pop, like Havana, or it could be Despacito. So we got inspired like a lot of Latin songs.
Havana,
I love it. And K-pop is coming up, you guys. Are you guys excited for K-pop or KCON? KCON's coming up. Are you guys excited for KCON this year?
KCON, right?
Yes.
KCON 이번 연도에 하는데 뭐 기대되세요? Yeah, like we've been like.
бізде тур себепті онда қатыса алмаймыз.
So we don't know we might.
Бізде тур болғандықтан боламыз болмаймыз ба
be
біз
there or
оны
not, but you know
білмейміз.
still.
Біз бәрібір осында боламыз. KCON әрине керемет.
We'll be here
Біз
like for
үшін
the tour. So like KCON is always great.
I'm curious, what are some other K-pop bands that you guys think might
Америкада
break in
танымал
America?
болған
Who are you
тағы да
excited
қандай
about?
K-pop
Who do you listen
орындаушыларды
이
ұнатасыздар?
K-pop 밴드들 중에 우리가 좀 듣거나 혹은 뭐 좀 좋아하는 분들이 있을까요?
K-pop band?
BTS.
BTS? maybe BTS. Yeah.
BTS жайлы естідіңіздер ме? Мен BTS-ті тыңдаймын.
I love BTS.
BTS.
All right, you guys are, I am very confident you're going to win tonight, so what is your celebration dance as we end this interview? Show me your celebration dance.
Биін көрсете аласыздар ма?
Billboard Music Award.
BTS, Billboard Music Awards.
Thank you guys so much. Have fun tonight. Good luck.
Рахмет
We'll
достар,
see you
көңіл
soon. Thanks,
көтеріңіздер.
guys.
Көріскенше сау болыңыздар.
Bye, guys.
Көріскенше.
See you. Bye. Good to see you.